Okay, next let's create one more route for our dashboard. When someone log into the system, then he is only the person able to access our dashboard. Control D for multiple selection. Dashboard, create one more HBS file inside views. Dashboard.hbs, container, press tab, br multiplied by 4, and here let's make a class of alert dot alert success. It will add a green color in our message. Welcome. Name of our user will be user variable that we are going to get from our database. For now, user variable value will be Mbappe. Now create one more folder inside our root folder with name of config. Inside config we'll have auth.js. This is for our authenticating our user, that means protecting route. Although someone is logged into the system and he want to go to register page, he can't go there. Okay, and without login anyone cannot access dashboard page. That is what protecting route means. Okay, here at first include some variable JWT, require jsonwebtoken, semicolon, const. Let's require our user model, require double dot means we are going on folder backward, and in on folder backward we have a folder with name of models. Inside models we have this users model. Save it, and here we are going to create a function. This is a arrow function, authentication, and it will take 3 parameter: request, response, next, and of course it is a arrow function. Then here we are going to get our token from request dot, we save a cookies variable with name of JWT. Okay, now we are getting the JWT token from the browser. Next, JWT dot verify, we are going to verify the token, comma, next option will be our secret key that we save inside environment variable. Process dot env dot, what was the name of our variable? It was JWT underscore key. Copy and paste it here as well, comma, and there will be an option. And next we are going to make a callback function in here. This callback function will take 2 parameter. First one will be error, and second one will be decoded user, and it will at first it will check for error. If there is any error, it will redirect to the login page. That means the login is not successfully done. Redirect users login, and it will show us error message. And let's make a else condition. else what it will do, it will next, that mean, and console log something, so we can make sure that user is successfully login. There it is. We are going to use this function inside our route, that means all of our get route we are going to use this function. Let me copy this and paste it below. This one is for request not authentication, require not authentication. In this function it will check for token. In if condition, let's make a if condition. If there is token, then it will redirect to dashboard. Control V, dashboard, dashboard, and else it will go next. Okay, console log something, we don't need to verify JWT in here. We need to export this two function. Module.exports is equal require authentication, comma, require not authentication. Now go to users. In get route, in every get route there will be our, at first we need to require this, so let's do it. Const require dot // config. We have that file inside config folder. Require authentication, comma, require not authentication. Let's use this require authentication first. Whenever we'll try to go to dashboard, we need to authenticate our user, so let's check it here. We need authentication to go to this dashboard, and we don't need to authenticate user to go to register or login page. Require not authentication. Copy and make sure you make this a comma and paste it here as well. Save it, open your browser once again, reload the page of dashboard. It is redirecting to login page. You no longer go to the dashboard page. In order to go to dashboard, you need to log in. So let's log in. mbappe@test.com, password was mbappe1234. Submit. Now you are on dashboard. You can access dashboard. See, you can access dashboard, but this time you can't go to register or login page. When you're trying to go to register or login page, it's you redirecting to this dashboard page. Actually, let me make it inside login page. Let's make it redirect successfully to the dashboard. Users dash / dashboard.